Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to dropship from eBay to your TikTok shop. So I'm going to show you some of the method that I know in order to be able to do that, and now let's get started. I'm just going to show you real quick all of the product that I have on my TikTok shop. So these are recently the product that I have. All right, so here it is. Here are some of the product that I have. Most of them are jewelry, and I will want to add some more product listing from eBay so that I can do a dropshipping business from eBay to my TikTok shop. Now, in order to do that, the first thing that we can do is by going to the apps and services page on our TikTok shop seller center. You can see that on the left side of the screen you have this apps and services option, so you can go ahead and click on App Store. It's going to bring you to a bunch of apps that you can integrate to your TikTok shop in order to maybe broadening your listing or maybe help you with the marketing campaign. So you can choose any of the apps to help you with your TikTok shop. Now, you'll be able to find a popular platform options on which there are a bunch of options here like Shopify, Lazada, Shopee, AliExpress, Amazon, eBay, which is the one that we're looking for. So you can go ahead and click on it. And the first options is by choosing an app from the available options here. So the one that shows up for me is OneCart, LitCommerce, Allroute ERP, Lixing ERP, ECPP, and these two more options. So you can choose any of these options to integrate eBay to your TikTok shop. But the method that works the best for me is actually by using the Shopify. So again, if you notice, all of the product that I have on my Shopify is also the product that I have on my TikTok shop. So what I did is I integrate the product from my Shopify into my TikTok shop. Why I do that is mainly because I find it more convenient that way, and I also have the options to bulk upload my product so I don't have to do it one by one, which is such a hassle. So you can definitely try to use the second method. Now, in order to do the second method, I also need another platform to help me, which is CJ Dropshipping. So with CJ Dropshipping, you'll be able to add a bunch of product from different platforms. They have AliExpress, they have again eBay, they have a bunch of other platforms that you can connect to your TikTok shop. On my CJ Dropshipping, I've searched for eBay to make sure that the product that I'm going to add into my store is going to source from eBay. So for example, I want to go with this one's right here, and all I have to do is add this product into my store. And in order to do that, you can just go ahead and click on list here, and you can see that I got the product type, the vendor, etc. And all I have to do is go to the variant pricing and add my price here. And once I'm done with that, I can go ahead and click on listed now. And now we wait until it's finished listed into our store. While you wait for the product to finish added, you can actually take a look at other product and continue your product addition or your product listing if you want to. You can do it all together. You don't have to wait for one product to be done listed in order to add the next one. So for example, if I go to this one, click on list and repeat the same step, taking a look at the product type, the title, vendor, etc., and add the pricing. I can then go ahead and click on listed now, and it's going to also list that product. Let's take a look at this one. So this one is finished listing, and all I have to do is go ahead and click view in store. It's going to bring me into my Shopify store, and as you can see, I have this product added into my product section. Now, in order to add this product into my TikTok shop, I'm using this TikTok shop by SPL apps. The reason why I'm using this one instead of the actual TikTok shop is because for some country, there are some market or there are some store that are not readable by the actual TikTok apps on Shopify. I'm just going to show you. So I'm going to go ahead and open TikTok here. And you can actually do it easily with the TikTok app from Shopify. All you have to do is download that app and sync it into your Shopify, and then you'll be able to find the setting options here. Unfortunately for me, when I go to the product catalog options, it says here that we could not set up your catalog for your store's country or region cannot be selected. These might not be a problem for you, so if you can do it with the actual TikTok shop, go ahead and download it into your Shopify and manage your product catalog from here. But because it is an issue for me, I am using a second option, or I found an alternative in order to still be able to connect all of this platform all together, and that is by using the TikTok shop by SBL. So if I go here, I'll be able to manage my product pretty much similarly to if I'm going to be using the actual TikTok option. So I'm just going to go ahead and take a look at the product here, and these are the product that I currently have. So this is the two that we've just added from eBay. You can see that this one is from eBay. All I have to do is click sync to TikTok for both of them, and it's going to process. Sometimes we might encounter an error, so I'm just going to wait and show you if that happens, what you have to do. All right, as you can see, this one is failed, so I'm going to go ahead and click Fix Me and see what the problem is. And usually the problem is because there is no shipping weight, so all I have to do is just change the shipping weight. And I'm also going to change the shipping length, width, as well as height, like so. And then I'm going to go ahead and click on save, and usually this will do the trick. So once it's saved, it's going to successfully add it into my TikTok shop, as you can see. Now it's active on my TikTok shop, and let's see on our product list, is it there or not? All right, so this one is still processing, and this one is successfully added. As you can see, now I've added the eBay product to my TikTok shop, and with this I'll be able to do my dropshipping business from eBay to my TikTok shop. All right, so does that seem a little bit complicated for you? I'm just going to go ahead and create a quick summary. Basically, in order to be able to do the dropshipping business, you will need to create a listing of the product from eBay to your TikTok shop. You can do that by using a third-party platform like the list of the app that I've shown you at the first method, or you can also use the help of Shopify. If you use the help of Shopify, you will need another third-party's platform, and the options are basically CJ Dropshipping, or maybe if you've heard of AutoDS, you can also use that in order to add it to your TikTok shop. So those are the options that you can use. Now, in order to add the product from your Shopify to your TikTok shop, and obviously the product that we're talking about is going to be the one that you add from eBay with the help of either CJ Dropshipping or AutoDS or any other platform that you know and it works for you, is by using TikTok apps directly, which you can download from your Shopify. All you have to do is search for TikTok on the Shopify App Store and integrate it into your Shopify. But if you're like me and you're having trouble with adding the catalog directly from the TikTok apps, you can also use the TikTok shop by SBL, which is the one that I'm using today, to connect all of those products to TikTok shop. So all you have to do is make sure that you have connected the product from eBay to your Shopify, and once it's listed on your product section on Shopify, you'll be able to see it on TikTok shop by SBL, and you can just integrate that product into your TikTok shop, and there you have it. You got the product that you can drop ship from eBay to your TikTok shop. And that's basically it. That is how you can do dropship from eBay to your TikTok shop. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.